Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your speaker JBL Grip keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend it to perform the soft reset. At the top of your speaker we have power button. You need to press one time, because firstly we should turn off the speaker and then turn on it. So press one time at the power button to turn off it. Now your speaker turned off, you disconnect it from the phone, press at the power button one time again, and we just turn on it. Then the speaker should reconnect to your phone automatically, but sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that they don't want to reconnect automatically. So you can try to go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and at the device list tap at your speaker, and then it should reconnect to your phone. Next step is to perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, on the front side on your speaker we have play pause button and volume up button. You need to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously for at least 2 seconds. 1, 2, then you can release your fingers, and now we should reconnect the speaker with the phone. But firstly, press one time at the power button to turn on it. Now go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then click Forget this device button or Forget device or Remove or Unpair or something else. It depends on the phone. And click Forget device again. And you will remove your speaker. Without it, if you try to reconnect your speaker, you just turn on it, the speaker in the pairing mode. I tap at the speaker. If you have iOS, it will ask you to remove this device. If you have Android, it will show you connection problem, so we need to remove it. And let's do this. Now, after that, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After that, you will see your speaker at the device list, and you need to tap at your speaker. And we just reconnect it. If you want to reconnect it with the app, you need to hide the settings, open JBL Portable app, and wait just a bit. And as you can see, it will reconnect to the app automatically. Now, if the factory reset didn't help you also, I have one more solution to you. We can reset Bluetooth settings. The problem that you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this, and firstly I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. So on your iPhone, open settings. Then we should go to the general settings. So scroll down, find general line and tap at this line. Scroll down again. At the bottom you will find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click at the reset, and in this window you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth Settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. That's why we need to tap at this button. Now write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings. Then we should go to the system. Scroll down, click find system and tap the system line. Scroll down again, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android at the bottom, we have reset options. Tap at this line. In this window, you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click Reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!